Today we're going to bring a hard drive adapter. Now this is great if you're trying to recover some files or if you're trying to transfer from one place to another using your SSD drive. This is a great place to do it. Not only that, you could actually transfer stuff to a PlayStation, to another PC. It's just a matter of just transferring through the actual USB cable to the actual SSD drive. You can see we're going to open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. All right, what you get is a 3.0, you guys can see, connection. And then you get the SSD drive, of course, and you get two in here. You get the power, and then you get the actual data transfer. So there's going to be two connections that go into the drive. If you have one of the SSD drive, a solid state hard drive, you could transfer your files, even if it's mechanical, it's still run. And this is a very petite thing that you could carry around with you. If you work in the IT industry, this is a very valuable tool for those that are still working with SSD drives. So this is something that I will normally take with me to the field in case somebody needs to transfer some files or they're getting a new computers and they need to transfer a huge amount of data over to another drive. This is probably the fastest way you can do that instead of going through the cloud because the internet's too slow. You can do that too. So, okay, so here we have an external drive here. Well, we have an internal drive, which is an SSD drive here. It's a solid state drive right now. We're going to plug it in. We're going to marry it, if you guys can see. And it's very simple. It just plugs in. And this is a type 3.0. We're going to plug it into our external drive, which is here on our laptop. I'm going to plug it in here. Plug it in. See if it reads the actual drive. And we're going to bring our laptops to see if it can read the drive. And they automatically read the drive. Automatically, which I don't have it format or anything like that. And right now it's BitLocker in, if you guys can see that. So we're gonna fix that. So we have our drive, which is right here, because it's locked. So we're gonna go ahead and format it. Yes. So right now we are completely gonna format the drive. We can do everything. We can transfer back and forward. And it's done. It's done. We have the drive. Now we're capable of close this out. You guys can see there's nothing in the drive now. We could drag and drop stuff in here. I'm going to show you how fast it is. Transfer rate's pretty quick. Okay, we're done. So if you can see the drive, it's gone now, and we're going to bring it back in. There it is. Just popped up automatically. We were waiting for a couple minutes, and automatically, here's the drives. You can see they're partitioned, but we're going to merge them together, all right? And you could do that easily. If you go to system management, you could partition the whole thing. So we're going to do that at the end, but simple. You can use this as an external drive to read it. If you're going to carry this around with you, you have important documentation, transfer back and forth, very easy. And right now we're using a 500 gig drive, so I was able to transfer and turn it off. So easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.